Welcome back to DECOLOVA, where beautiful homes tell inspiring stories. Today, we're stepping inside a charming tiny house that perfectly balances comfort, simplicity, and timeless farmhouse character. Dressed in soothing olive green and creamy neutral tones, this compact home proves that limited square footage can still feel spacious, elegant, and deeply inviting. Every corner has been thoughtfully designed to support a slower, more intentional lifestyle where quality matters more than quantity. As we explore this beautiful retreat together, you'll discover how natural colors, warm textures, and clever design choices create a peaceful sanctuary that feels connected to both nature and modern living. Let's begin this inspiring tiny house tour. From the very first glance, this tiny house feels like a peaceful escape from the fast pace of modern life. The exterior combines classic farmhouse influences with contemporary simplicity, creating a welcoming presence that feels both familiar and fresh. Olive green siding blends beautifully with the surrounding landscape, allowing the home to sit naturally within its environment. Cream-colored trim frames the structure with gentle contrast, highlighting architectural details without overwhelming the eye. A modest front porch, wooden steps, and carefully selected landscaping complete the composition. Rather than demanding attention, this home quietly invites visitors in, embracing the philosophy that true beauty often whispers rather than shouts. Stepping through the front door, we are greeted by an entryway that immediately sets the tone for the entire home. Despite its compact dimensions, the space feels open and organized thanks to thoughtful design choices and a restrained color palette. Olive green accents appear in decorative elements and built-in storage features, while cream walls provide a bright and airy backdrop. Natural wood finishes introduce warmth and authenticity, creating a comforting atmosphere from the moment you enter. Every item has a purpose, and every detail contributes to a sense of calm. This entryway serves as a reminder that simplicity can create a stronger impression than excess. The living room demonstrates how thoughtful design can transform a small footprint into a comfortable and welcoming gathering space. Soft cream upholstery reflects natural brightness throughout the room, while olive green pillows, throws, and decorative accents establish a connection to the outdoors. Carefully chosen furniture maintains visual openness without sacrificing comfort. Textural elements such as woven baskets, linen fabrics, and natural wood surfaces add depth and personality. Large windows bring the surrounding landscape into the design, making the room feel larger than its actual dimensions. The overall atmosphere encourages relaxation, conversation, and quiet moments, perfectly reflecting the principles of slow living. Moving into the kitchen, we find a beautiful example of modern farmhouse design adapted for compact living. Cream cabinetry creates a clean and timeless foundation, while olive green details introduce character and sophistication. Open shelving displays carefully selected dishware and decorative pieces, adding visual interest without creating clutter. Wooden countertops contribute warmth and natural texture, balancing the refined appearance of the cabinetry. Every inch of space has been optimized for functionality, allowing the kitchen to support daily life efficiently while maintaining its aesthetic appeal. This room demonstrates that even a small kitchen can feel luxurious when design and practicality work together harmoniously. Adjacent to the kitchen sits a charming dining nook that proves memorable experiences don't require grand spaces. A simple farmhouse table serves as the centerpiece, surrounded by comfortable seating that encourages lingering conversations and relaxed meals. Olive green textiles and botanical accents reinforce the home's natural color story, while cream surfaces keep the area feeling bright and open. Large windows frame outdoor views, turning everyday dining into a peaceful experience connected to nature. The intimate scale of the space fosters togetherness, making meals feel more meaningful. It is a perfect example of how thoughtful design can elevate daily rituals. The primary bedroom embraces the idea that a sleeping space should feel like a personal retreat. Soft cream tones dominate the room, creating a calming foundation that promotes rest and relaxation. Olive green accents appear through bedding, artwork, and decorative accessories, adding richness without disrupting the peaceful atmosphere. Layered textiles introduce comfort and texture, while carefully selected furniture maintains visual simplicity. Built-in storage solutions maximize functionality without compromising the room's serene appearance. Every design decision supports a sense of tranquility, transforming this compact bedroom into a sanctuary where homeowners can recharge and reconnect with themselves after a busy day. One of the most impressive aspects of this tiny house is its intelligent approach to storage. Instead of relying on bulky cabinets or oversized furniture, the design incorporates built-in solutions that seamlessly blend into the architecture. Hidden compartments, multifunctional furniture, and custom shelving maximize every available inch while preserving a clean and uncluttered appearance. Olive green storage features become decorative elements in their own right, while cream finishes help maintain visual continuity throughout the home. These thoughtful solutions allow residents to enjoy the benefits of minimal living without sacrificing comfort or practicality. The result is a home that feels remarkably spacious despite its modest size. The bathroom continues the home's philosophy of combining beauty and practicality in perfect balance. Although compact, the space feels surprisingly luxurious thanks to its carefully curated materials and calming color palette. Cream wall finishes brighten the room and enhance the feeling of openness, while olive green accents introduce a subtle touch of sophistication inspired by nature. A walk-in shower with clean lines creates a modern appearance, while natural wood elements soften the overall design. Thoughtfully chosen storage keeps essentials organized and out of sight, preserving a clutter-free environment. Every detail contributes to a soothing atmosphere that transforms daily routines into moments of relaxation and self-care. In today's world, even the smallest homes benefit from having a dedicated workspace, and this tiny house delivers beautifully. A compact home office corner has been integrated seamlessly into the floor plan without disrupting the home's open and airy feel. A simple wooden desk paired with comfortable seating creates a practical area for work, creativity, or personal projects. Olive green decorative accents add character and visual continuity, while cream surroundings help maintain focus and brightness. Positioned near a window, the workspace enjoys abundant natural views that reduce stress and encourage productivity. This thoughtful design demonstrates how a small home can support modern lifestyles without feeling crowded. One of the most charming features of this tiny house is its cozy reading nook, a space designed specifically for slowing down and enjoying life's quieter moments. Nestled beside a large window, this inviting corner captures beautiful outdoor views throughout the day. Soft cream cushions provide comfort, while olive green throws and pillows add warmth and visual depth. Built-in shelving keeps favorite books within easy reach, creating a personal sanctuary for relaxation and reflection. Whether enjoying a morning coffee, reading a beloved novel, or simply watching the changing seasons outside, this nook embodies the essence of slow living in the most beautiful way. A defining characteristic of this home is its strong relationship with the surrounding natural environment. Large windows strategically placed throughout the house invite abundant daylight and scenic views into every room. The olive green color palette reflects the hues of nearby trees, gardens, and landscapes, creating a seamless visual connection between indoors and outdoors. Natural materials such as wood, woven fibers, and linen fabrics further strengthen this relationship. Rather than separating residents from nature, the design encourages daily interaction with it. This thoughtful integration fosters a sense of calm and well-being, making the home feel like an extension of the landscape itself. Stepping outside, we discover an outdoor living area that expands the home's usable space while maintaining its cozy farmhouse charm. A simple seating arrangement creates the perfect setting for morning coffee, evening conversations, or peaceful moments spent enjoying fresh air. Olive green planters filled with lush greenery enhance the connection to nature, while cream-colored outdoor furnishings keep the aesthetic consistent with the interior design. Natural wood details provide warmth and character, helping the outdoor space feel like a natural continuation of the home. Despite its modest size, this area offers countless opportunities to relax, entertain, and appreciate the beauty of simple living. One of the final elements that brings this tiny house to life is its carefully planned lighting design. Rather than relying on a single source of illumination, the home uses multiple layers of light to create warmth, depth, and flexibility throughout the day. Soft pendant fixtures above the kitchen, elegant wall sconces, and subtle accent lighting work together to enhance the farmhouse aesthetic. Warm lighting complements the olive green and cream color palette beautifully, highlighting textures and architectural details without overwhelming the space. As evening arrives, the home transforms into a cozy retreat where every room feels welcoming, intimate, and effortlessly comfortable. As our tour comes to an end, this olive green and cream tiny house leaves us with an inspiring reminder that great design is not measured by size but by intention. Every room has been thoughtfully crafted to support comfort, functionality, and a deeper connection to everyday life. Through its modern farmhouse charm, natural color palette, and intelligent use of space, this home captures the true spirit of slow living. It encourages us to appreciate simplicity, embrace quality over excess, and create spaces that nurture both body and mind. Thank you for joining us today on DECOLOVA. If you enjoyed this tiny house tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more beautiful home and interior design inspiration from around the world.